the definition of logarithmic functions. Y is equal to x power tan x plus sin x. Find dy upon dx. Solution. Given that y is equal to x to the power of tan x plus sin x. Here one functions are logarithmic and second functions are simple ordinary या standard. Now taking the definition of these functions by using logarithmic and the definition of these. Here we can say that the sign of positive, then the differentiations are taken first and these functions are u and other function are v. आपको बता दिया गया है if the sign of between these functions positive or negative, then also taking u and v. If multiplicative and dividative, then taking log on both side. यदि यहाँ पे प्लस और माइनस है साइन में, तो आप लोग इसको फर्स्ट टाइम u एंड v जितने भी फंक्शंस होते हैं सबको टेक कर लीजिए. जब हमारे पास एक फंक्शन आपके पास क्या हो, एक फंक्शन वहाँ पे आपके पास वेरिएबल के फॉर वेरिएबल, देन लेट u इक्वल टू x और tan x, v इक्वल टू sin x. Same condition, then y equal to u plus v, differentiating it with respect to x, divide upon dx. Divide upon dx equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Equation number 1. Now same process of previous question. Now u equal to x power tan x, taking log on both sides, log of u is equal to log of x tan of x. By property of logarithms, log of u is equal to tan x into log of x. Differentiating it with respect to x, 1 upon u du upon dx by implicit functions. Definition of first function tan x into definition of second function log x 1 by x plus second function log x into definition of tan x is known as sec square x. Solving these, we get du upon dx is equal to u in bracket tan x by x plus sec square x into log x, and by putting the value of u, we get du upon dx is equal to the value of u x power tan x in bracket tan x upon x plus sec square x into log x. Now again taking v equal to sin x, which is the standard functions. Differences are also known. dv upon dx is equal to cos x. Putting the value of du upon dx and dv upon dx in equation 1, we get dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx, value of these x tan x in bracket tan x by x plus sec square x into log of x plus the value of dv upon dx is known as cos x. That's all. In this type problems, first time taking if the function of variable for variable, then the sign of these plus or minus, then taking u and v. If multiplicative and dividative, then taking log on both sides and apply the process, same process, all problem is solved. Now again discuss the definition of function of next rule by parametric differentiation. Differentiation of parametric function. Parametric functions. This topic are mostly important. Definition of parametric functions. First time we will know the parametric functions. हमें फर्स्ट टाइम जानना है कि पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शन, व्हाट डू मीन बाय पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शन. If dependent variable y and independent variable x, बताया गया आपको if y equal to function y equal to f(x) be a given functions where y is known as dependent and x is known as independent variable, then y is dependent and x is independent. But well known of parametric functions, हमें जानना है व्हाट डू मीन बाय पैरामेट्रिक फंक्शंस. इफ द डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल y and independent variable x are related in another variable is called parametric functions. That is, y is a function of t and x is also a function of t. Here dependent variables y is a function of t upon and f2. The common variable is known as parameter and that system is known as parametric functions or parametric equations. If dependent and independent both variable किसी अनदर वेरिएबल थर्ड वेरिएबल से रिलेटेड हो तो दैट फंक्शन इज नोन एज पैरामेट्रिक फंक्शंस एंड कॉमन वेरिएबल इज नोन एज पैरामीटर. डिपेंडेंट एंड डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल के बीच का जो रिलेशंस बताता है दैट इज नोन एज पैरामीटर. हियर पैरामीटर एनी वेरिएबल्स, कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा पैरामीटर टी हो, कुछ भी लिया जा सकता है, कोई भी लिया जा सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टी भी हो सकता है, थीटा भी हो सकता है, बीटा भी हो सकता है, एनी वेरिएबल हो सकता है. बट जो भी वेरिएबल रहेगा वो दोनों वेरिएबल डिपेंडेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल से रिलेटेड होगा. दैट सेम प्रोसेस. फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग तो एक क्लियर कर लिए कि पैरामेट्रिक फंक्शन क्या होता है. इफ दी बोथ वेरिएबल्स डिपेंडेंट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स आर रिलेटेड एनी कॉमन वेरिएबल्स इज नोन एज पैरामेट्रिक फंक्शंस या पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशंस. सेम कंडीशंस एंड नाउ डिस्कस द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ पैरामेट्रिक. The definition of parametric functions is always the variables are dependent and independent. Both variables are differentiable with respect to parameter. फर्स्ट टाइम पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशंस या पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शन को हम लोग राइट डाउन करेंगे, इसके बाद डिपेंडेंट वाले वेरिएबल्स को और इंडिपेंडेंट दोनों वेरिएबल्स को विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू पैरामीटर डिफरेंशिएट किया जाएगा एंड मेकिंग इक्वेशन एंड फर्स्ट टाइम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे पैरामीटर के रिस्पेक्ट में। डिफरेंशिएट करने के बाद डिपेंडेंट वाले वेरिएबल में इंडिपेंडेंट वाले वेरिएबल के डिफरेंशिएशन का डिवाइड कर देंगे, दैट इज आंसर। सेम कंडीशंस if here the parameter are t given, so dy upon dt is known as f dash f1 t. Dash means one time differentiation, and dx upon dt is known as f2 dash t. Divide by these functions, dependent, the term of dependent divide by independent. Same conditions, dy upon dt dx upon dt, f1 dash t divide by f2 dash t. Solving the dt will be cancelled out, dy upon dx will be result f dash t, f1 dash t divided by f2 dash t, that is फर्स्ट टाइम पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन को राइट डाउन करेंगे और दोनों वेरिएबल्स डिपेंडेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स वाले टर्म को विद रिस्पेक्ट टू पैरामीटर डिवाइड डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे एंड आफ्टर डिफरेंशिएटिंग द डिपेंडेंट टर्म is divided by independent term. For example, question first, if y is equal to a sin theta and x is equal to a cos theta, find dy upon dx. Solution, given that y is equal to a sin theta, x is equal to a cos theta, y is depend on theta, x also depend on theta. Here two equations are given, dependent variables and independent variables both, and common variable is known as theta. The common variables also known as parameter. Now these differentiating with respect to parameter theta, dy upon d theta is equal to a will be constant. Differentiation of sin theta is known as cos theta, and also differentiating it with respect to parameter theta, dx upon d theta is equal to a constant. Differentiation of cos theta will be minus sin theta. Right now, differentiating with respect to theta. Now dividing by dy upon d theta dx upon d theta, dy upon d theta dx upon d theta is equal to a cos theta upon minus a sin theta. A will be cancelled out, cos theta divided by sin theta minus cot theta, and d theta will be cancelled out. We get result dy upon dx is equal to minus cot theta. Same condition. Next question. If x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. X is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. Find dy upon dx. Solution. Given that x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. In the given problem, independent variable x is related by t and dependent variable is related by t. Then t will be parameter. The procedure of we know that of differentiation of parametric equations, differentiating both variables with respect to parameter t, begin and dividing by dy upon dt by dx upon dt. Dx upon dt is equal to a into definition of t square with 2t r by dx upon dt is equal to 280 and dy upon dt 2a will be constant and definition of t is 1 r by dy upon dt begin to a. Now it divide dy upon dt dx upon dt is equal to 2a upon 2a t. 2a will be cancel out, dt will be cancel out, we get dy upon dx is equal to 1 by t. That's all. Same process. Any value इस टाइप की given हो, parametric equations given हो, तो already differentiate this process.